Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dan of AhmedDan.com. Today I'll have another episode of Dhaka, Bangladesh video, and I'll be giving you an exclusive look into a small shoe factory, which is a manual shoe factory in Dhaka, Bangladesh. If this is the first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support on this hybrid channel. I'm always trying new and different ideas to take you beyond boundaries. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for more travel videos, there'll be links in the description box below. So we're in Dhaka, and here in this small space they make handmade shoes, and I'm going to give you some some of the way they make shoes. So this is not part of the whole process. They make some parts here, and then there's going to be another room. So here looks like there's a machine we have, and then we have okay, so it looks like I just banged my head on the ceiling, so it's very short ceiling. And here it looks like some kind of glue, and they're going to put the leather together for parts of the shoes. And I can see that some leather right over there, or some of the inner parts of the shoes. And then I can see the employee is putting some glue on the shoe. And then here they're sorting out other parts of the shoes, and then I can see that there's the glue here, and you can see that lots of other parts of the shoes they're already cut into pieces, and they're just preparing, and each section is going to have a specific work, and then once all the parts are being made, then it's going to be put into a full manufacturing of the shoes. So these shoes are handmade, and I can see that there are lots of parts just behind, close to the wall. And then here you can see that he's putting some glue on this part of the shoe, and then here's some other leather parts and pieces. So you have some shoes, looks like they're coming into shape, and this is just the upper part of the shoe, and this looks like the sole over here. And then here there's something, it looks like it's giving a press, or sorry? Okay, so what's happening here, that they're putting the logo on the shoe, or the name of the shoe. You can see that the part didn't have anything, and then from here it's going to be embedded onto the shoe. So this kind of screen has lots of different branding, and it's just going to be on that part. So because they're just the manufacturer of different brands, and they're just putting whatever work they have, and you can see that all those parts already went through putting the logo or branding on the shoes. And then the next part we have here some parts of the sole, and then here this is going to be, I think, the completed part of the inner sole. And then okay, so this part is going to be toe of the shoe, and then here we have some other parts of the shoe, and then those are actually insole. And then I think that's basically it here. Then from here there's another section or location. That's where they're going to be making the next part of the shoe, and you can see that there's a sewing machine here, so he's sewing the shoes here. And then here you can see lots of small bits and pieces. So this is a very small and tiny factory, and it's all handmade. And this is how they make. This is not a big factory. They just take orders from other companies or brands, and they make up to according to their specifications. So I'm going to see if I can if I have a chance to visit the other section. So we'll see if we can go there. But that's it for this part. So I was able to come to the other room or section of the shoes. So these are the upper parts of the shoes, and then you can see that the ceiling is very low, so you have to kind of crawl and on your knees, because you're going to get your head banged. And then here there are other parts. So what happened, most of the employees are actually there on lunch right now, that's why there's no one here. But this is just another section, and you can see that there's some other parts. It looks like this is the upper part of the shoe. And then here we have some other soles right over there. And then here you can see that this is the last shoe last, and then with the sole. Okay, so this is the top part or upper part of the shoes, and this is going to be attached to the sole. So all these looks like they're already made, and you can see that lots of parts and pieces of leathers here and there. So basically this is what is this room about. So I think let's see if there's something else. I'm not sure if this is the end. So this is another section or room, and here you can see that all the shoes are piled up, and I think these are like, you know, probably almost done, 99% or 95% done, and they're just like, you know, waiting here. And I can see that lots of shoes here, so these are almost finished product, and I'm not sure what goes after this, but you can see, you know, lots of shoes here and there. So this is, and there's no electricity right now, so that's why it's kind of dark, because here in this part of the world you cannot rely on electricity. It comes and goes. So when I'm coming here, when we are visiting, unfortunately there's no electricity, so that's why the whole video is going to be a bit dark. So you got 101 pair of shoes, which is 100% finished product, and you can see that this is all done, and it looks actually really nice and good. So the sole looks pretty durable and neat. So this is 100% done, and you can even see the branding is done. And then there's another part which we have right here. So this is also a finished product. This is all done. And then we have another one which is here, and this is done as well. So this sole looks like a little bit different. And then there's another product which is also done. So I have seen these shoes in Canada and other parts of the world, but this is the story behind the shoes, and this is how they are being made.